Imagine walking the same cobblestone street that inspired the likes of Van Gogh and Picasso. Today we are embarking on an extraordinary journey to the heart of Paris, a journey through time awaits, where each cobblestone monument and breeze whispers stories of love, revolution, and artistic triumph. This is an unparalleled adventure to the City of Lights, discovering the type iconic sites that have captivated hearts and inspired dreams across the globe. From the heights of the Sacre-Coeur to the vibrant streets of the Latin Quarter, join us as we unveil the soul of Paris, guided by the insightful narrative and hidden tales that each landmark holds. Before we dive deep, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe already. Join our community today and never miss out on the latest travel insights and tips. We understand that travel isn't always as glamorous as it's portrayed, especially when it involves kids or group adventures. That's why we are here. Our adventure begins at 72 Boulevard Marguerite de Rochechouart, where the Basilique de Sacre-Coeur stands as a beacon of hope and beauty atop Montmartre. As we ascend the steps, the city unfolds beneath us, a mosaic of history and modernity. Inside the Basilica's serene ambience, stunning mosaics invite reflection, while its panoramic view of Paris offers the perfect preamble to our adventure. Here we learn about its pivotal role in Parisian life and the artists whom its beauty has inspired. Stepping out from the Sacré-Cœur, we delve into the heart of Montmartre, a district synonymous with artists, bohemians, and revolutionaries. Strolling through its winding streets, we uncover the stories of Van Gogh, Picasso, and Dali, who found inspiration in its lively cafes and atmospheric squares. Montmartre retains an air of the past, a reminder of the time when Paris was the art capital of the world. No visit to Paris is complete without witnessing the Moulin Rouge. Known for its extravagant cabaret shows, it's a symbol of Parisian nightlife. Learn about its groundbreaking past and how it's revolutionized entertainment. Here, the essence of cabaret lives on, a testament to the city's undying love for art and entertainment. As we stand before its iconic red window, we are offered a glimpse into the extravagant Belle Epoque era. Delving into the Paris metro, we navigate the veins of the city. This historic transit system is not just about travels. It's a gallery of Art Nouveau, a symbol of Parisian innovation and daily life. Emerging from the metro, we are greeted by the imposing Arc de Triomphe. Here, the stories of bravery and sacrifice it's commemorate and understand its significance in French history. The panoramic view from the top is a must-see, offering another splendid vista of Paris. Our steps then lead us to the Trocadéro, offering the most striking view of the Eiffel Tower. From this vantage point, the tower's grandeur is undeniable, a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of the 1889 World's Fair. As we approach the tower, each rivet and girder narrates Gustave Eiffel's ambitious dream, creating a symbol of Paris that stands timeless. Venturing into the Latin Quarter, we immerse ourselves into the intellectual and culinary heart of Paris. Here, centuries of scholars, writers, and artists have debated and dreamed within historic universities and cozy bookshops. The vibrant streets filled with cafes and bistros invite us to savor the flavor of Paris, from sumptuous pastries to exquisite cheeses. As we approach the Ile de la Cité, the majestic Notre-Dame Cathedral stands as a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Despite recent tribulations, its resilience and beauty continue to inspire. The cathedral's facades, sculptures, and stained glass windows weave together stories of faith, art, history, a testament to the enduring spirit of Paris. A short stroll brings us to the Hôtel de Ville, the city's vibrant administrative heart. This exquisite building not only serves as the seat of Parisian governance, but also as a canvas depicting the city's evolution from medieval times to the present. Its facade is a gallery of statuary representing figures who have shaped the city's destiny. Our tour culminates at the Louvre, the treasure chest of human civilization. Here, art and history converge, offering a journey through time and imagination, from the serene gaze of the Mona Lisa to the grandeur of the Napoleonic apartments. The Louvre's collection invites us to explore the depths of human creativity and the stories that have shaped our world. The half-day walking tour is a must-do for anyone wanting to dive deep into the heart of Paris beyond its picturesque facade. The guide's expertise and the tour's well-crafted route make for an engaging, enlightening, and totally enjoyable half-day. It's not just about ticking off famous landmarks from your list. It's about connecting with the spirit of Paris, understanding its past, and enjoying its present. Highly recommended for first-time visitors and seasoned travelers alike. This tour leaves you with a richer appreciation for the cities and countless stories to share. What to expect? Expect a dynamic exploration. Prepare for an energetic journey through Paris' most iconic district, from the artistic enclave of Montmartre to the historic Latin Quarter. The blend of walking and metro travel ensures a fast-paced adventure that covers a vast array of sights in just half a day. Expect an engaging narrative. Our guide brought each destination to life with captivating stories and lesser-known facts. It felt more like exploring the city with a knowledgeable friend. Her enthusiasm for Paris, history, and culture was inspiring, making every anecdote and historical tidbit memorable. Expect to see iconic sites and hidden gems. While the tour visits all the major landmarks, it also veers off the beaten path. Discover hidden courtyards, quaint bakeries, and secret viewpoints known only to locals. Here are some practical tips for you. Wear comfortable shoes. You will be on your feet for the better part of the tour, navigating cobblestone streets and metro station stairs. Comfortable footwear is a must. Stay hydrated and snack ready. While the tour provides opportunity to grab snacks, it's wise to keep a water bottle and some quick bites handy. This way you can stay energized without missing a beat. Charge your camera. You will want to capture the beauty of Parisian landmarks, so ensure your camera or smartphone is fully charged and has ample storage space. Things to know before you go: the tour lasts approximately 4 to 5 hours. Arrive early to meet your guide and group. Tour tickets cover all guide services. However, metro tickets for the tour are typically not included, so purchasing a day pass is handy. The tour maintains a small group size for a personal experience. It's a fantastic opportunity to meet fellow travelers and ask questions. The tour is conducted in English, ensuring that narratives and stories are accessible to a wide audience. As our Paris half-day walking tour concludes, we leave with stories etched in our hearts and a deep appreciation for this magnificent city. Paris, with its history, art, and beauty, has unfolded before us, an experience guided by fun and fascination. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tales. Until next time, keep exploring, embracing the magic of life, and get out.